Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt Double-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The Dewalt Double-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw 12-inch compound DWS780 is perfect for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who need precision and power in their cutting tools. You'll appreciate its 15-amp motor, delivering 3,800 RPM for heavy-duty tasks. The integrated cut-line blade positioning system guarantees accurate cuts, while the XPS system provides precise cut line indication. With its ability to handle wide boards and moldings, you'll find it versatile. Its dust collection system captures over 75% of dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. At approximately 60 pounds, it's robust yet manageable, assuring durability and reliability in every project. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hoteche 12-inch sliding miter saw. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking precision and versatility, the Hoteche 12-inch sliding miter saw with laser guide stands out as an ideal choice. Equipped with a 12-inch TCT saw blade and a powerful 15A motor, it offers a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, perfect for versatile cutting tasks. The laser guide guarantees straight, accurate cuts, minimizing errors and material waste. You'll find it durable and stable thanks to its high-quality construction. Included accessories like carbon brushes, a wrench, and extension bars enhance usability. However, some users mention weak laser visibility and initial quality concerns. Overall, it's effective for specific projects. At number 3, we have the Metabo HPT 12-inch sliding miter saw. Metabo HPT's 12-inch sliding miter saw C12RSH3 stands out for its precision and ease of use, making it a top choice for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 4,000 RPM no-load speed and dual bevel range of 45 degrees left and right, you'll enjoy smooth, accurate cuts every time. The zacked cut shadow line enhances visibility, ensuring safety even in dim lighting. With 9 miter detent stops and 1 touch bevel and miter locks, adjustments are a breeze. Weighing just 53.6 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful. Users appreciate the quality, though some note blade and setup concerns. Enjoy a 5-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Dewalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional seeking precision and versatility, the Dewalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw 12-inch DWS779 stands out as a top choice. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops, ensuring accurate cuts every time. You'll appreciate the tall sliding fences that support larger materials and the dual bevel capability that allows for versatile angle cuts. Built with solid construction, this saw resists wear and tear, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. For improved performance, consider upgrading the blade for a finer finish. Overall, it's a reliable tool for any woodworking project. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The WEN Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw MM1213 stands out for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who value precision and versatility in their woodworking projects. With a 15-amp motor generating 3,800 RPM, you'll easily make crosscuts up to 13 inches wide. Its dual bevel feature lets you cut at 45-degree angles in either direction, and the onboard laser guarantees precise cut line illumination. Lock miter angles with ease using the miter lock, and enjoy the convenience of a 48-tooth carbide tipped blade and additional accessories. Though some reviews note functionality issues, it remains a popular choice with a 2-year warranty to back it up. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.